In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a profile photo in an email from ActiveCampaign. We'll walk through a simple way to place your picture directly inside the body of your email, which is perfect for email signatures, personal introductions, or making your campaigns feel more human and recognizable. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for, even if you don't use ActiveCampaign very often. First, make sure you're logged in to your ActiveCampaign account and that you've already created a campaign or have an email draft ready to edit. On the left-hand side of your dashboard, look for the Campaigns option. Go ahead and click on Campaigns, then open the specific email where you want your profile photo to appear. This will take you into the email editor. Once the editor is open, you'll see a layout of your email in the middle, and on the right-hand side, you'll find a sidebar with different content elements you can add. In that sidebar, locate the image block. This is the element you'll use to place your profile photo in the email. Click and drag the image block from the right sidebar into your email layout. Drop it exactly where you want your profile picture to appear. A common place is near the bottom of the email, next to or above your name in your signature, but you can position it wherever makes the most sense for your design. After you've dropped the image block into the layout, click directly on that image block. This will open the Image Settings panel, where you can choose which picture to use. Now click the Add File button. A file browser window from your computer will pop up. Navigate to the folder where your profile photo is stored, select the image you want to use, and confirm your choice. For best results, use a clear, high-quality headshot, ideally in a square or slightly rectangular format, so it looks clean inside most email clients. Once you've chosen your file, you'll see it appear in the ActiveCampaign Image Manager. Click Select Image to insert it into your email. Your photo should now appear right inside the email body where you place the image block. From here, you can adjust the size or alignment if needed, making sure it looks balanced with the surrounding text. When you're happy with how it looks, simply save your changes, and your email is ready to send with your profile photo included.